चलो सर. So again, very good evening to everyone. I hope I'm audible as well as visible, and I welcome you all to Oliveboard. Just a quick confirmation on whether I'm properly audible, visible to everyone. Just a very quick confirmation, please. Just a very quick confirmation on whether I'm audible, visible to everyone. I hope everybody can see me, hear me clearly. I hope everybody can see me, hear me very clearly. Chalo sir. Acha. Before we start with today's live mock, just a quick update for everyone. You see, all our tier 1 live mocks, you can see this is the new interface. It is available with the new interface. Arghamita, Panmay, no, the class is not cancelled, brother. Suddenly in Kolkata, there is absolutely, it's pouring out here. And the internet and everything is giving us troubles. So that same happened to me. So internet was giving me trouble. So I was having like some problem with while connecting. So the streaming was not starting. Okay, so that is the reason we had to delay the class by 15 minutes. Okay. Now you see, this is the new interface as per the SSC. So you see, like these menus which were like which used to be in the below, in this section that has went up. Like you see, previous mark for review, everything is same actually. So just these are now over here, and these options, instead of being on the right, these are now on the left, and the analysis will see answered, not answered, marked, answer marked. So these are the things, and you can also switch between the sections from here. General intelligence, awareness, quant, English, you can switch between the sections right from here, right? So these are the, this is what happened to the new interface, and all our tier 1 mocks, starting from mock number 1 to the last one, everything is available in this new interface as per the SSC requirement this year. Okay, so this is the new information I wanted to convey. Many of you already know this who have attempted the mock in the last few days. But again, if there is someone who doesn't know about this, please attempt a couple of mocks from in this new interface to kind of get accustomed. That's all. That's all, sir. Yes, Panmay, right now it is only available for not, it is not available for the mobile users because we don't know. This interface is not for, you see, the exam, the new interface, the exam will be conducted based on a PC, not mobile, right? So we don't know how it will look in a mobile, so it will get updated. Okay? Chalo. Now let us move into our live solution. Uh, so this is your like mock for this week. Acha, let me just submit this first. Let me just submit this first. You see, the live mock also is on the new interface. Chalo, I will also solve this for the first time. But once I submit this, this is the old interface. Once we submit this, this is the old interface. Okay? So this is the first question of the day. This is your first question of the day. एक second, sir. This is your first question of the day. चलो, थोड़ा जल्दी करना होगा, sir. So I can't find. Is it available? Yes, Panwing. Every mock is available in the new interface. The tier 1 mocks. Raghu, that was just a demo. That is not the question. That is the first question of the first mock. I've just opened a random mock for your understanding. Just to explain. This is the first mock. This is the first question of the live mock. Pawan covers this much in 15 minutes and Naman beats Pawan by this much. Find the time taken by Naman to complete the race of this. Okay, sir. So distance is same, sir. Distance, you see, this is constant. So meaning speed and time, they're inversely proportional. Achha. Chalo badhiya. So that means, sir, sir, एक second. Naman beats Pawan by this much. Okay. अच्छा अच्छा एक काम करते हैं सर. Naman and Pawan. By the time Pawan goes or Naman goes 1500 meters. You see, I've just picked up this line. Naman beats Pawan by 150. So Naman goes 1500, Pawan goes 150 meters less. That means 1350 meters, sir. So just calculate, sir. So 0, 0 gone. 15 nines at this, 15 tens at this. So ratio is 10 ratio 9. So time ratio is going to be opposite. 9 ratio 10. Now, sir, Pawan takes 15 minutes. So 10 parts ka value is 15 minutes. Meaning, sir, into 1.5. So this is also going to be into 1.5, sir. So 9 into 1.5 is 13.5 minutes. That's your answer, sir. That is your answer, option number B. That is your answer, option number B. Yes, Raghu, you are correct, brother. You are absolutely correct. Option number B, 13.5 is the correct answer. Chalo, let's move on to the next question. Chalo. Sir, x plus y whole square. Array, sir. You see, just by looking at this, the first thing that I understood, sir, 2xy minus xy. Meaning, sir, x square plus xy plus y square will be remaining. That is 192. And you see, cube minus cube, meaning this is x minus y into, sir, x square plus xy plus y square. Right? A cube minus b cube formula, the formula for factorization. That is 1344. Meaning, sir, x minus y into this thing is how much? This thing we know to be 192, sir. This is equal to 1344. So ये sir 7 times होगा because you see 1400 से थोड़ा कम. So x minus y is 7, sir. That's your answer. है क्या? Option B once again is your correct answer. Option B once again is your correct answer. Now again, thoda jisko yaad, like thoda, if you can use your brain a little bit more, you will say directly, sir, this thing by this thing will be your direct answer. Direct answer, right? But again, that will come with practice. The more practice you do, the more familiarized you'll get. Chalo. Sir, simple question of rationalization. Sir, first things first, I told you, cert cannot be in the denominator. So we will rationalize only this part. Chalo, let's take this. Sir, so this will get multiplied with 6 minus 4 root 2. And this thing will become a square minus b square. 36 minus 4 square 16 into 2, sir, 32. So meaning, sir, this is 4. This is equal to 4, sir. So this whole thing will become 8 minus. Sir, this is 4, this is 4. This is minus, this is minus. Minus will get common, everything will be plus here. 4 here. So 6 plus 4 root 2 plus 6 minus 4 root 2. Why plus in over here? Because minus I have taken common. So you see this cancels. 6 plus 6, 12 by this is, sir, 3. So your answer is 5, sir, option number B once again. So everything is coming out to be B. Yes, Raghu, Arghamita, everyone perfect. Chalo, आगे बढ़ते हैं, sir. Sir, M30 minus M. Over here, M नहीं है. अच्छा, sir. You see, please understand how to think, sir. If this has M N O, if this doesn't have, you see M. So if you add 1 to it, always think like this. If this was plus 1, then I'd do what? I'd do minus 1. But as this has, you see, if this was plus 1, 30 plus M, then I would do minus 1. Why? Because M minus M will cancel. Then only I'll get a situation where M will not be there in the numerator. But here it is minus, so I will do plus so that I can get rid of the M. So that I can get rid of the M. You just do this. You see what will happen, sir? M by 30 minus M plus 1. Same you will do here. Automatically, the rest of the stuff must align automatically, sir. Otherwise, the question is wrong. So 1, 1, 1, total 3, 8 plus 3, sir, 11. 11 ही answer होगा, sir. 11 by something वो देख लेंगे, sir. So this is going to be Sir, 30 minus m. You see, mm cancels, it will be 30 here. 24 minus n. Sir, nn cancels, it will be 24. And sir, 18 minus o, this will be, sir, 18, sir. Now, what can I take common, sir? I can take what common? 2, 9, 6, I can take common, sir. 6 5s, 6 4s, 6 3s. So 6 idhar aa jayega, sir. Divide by 6. You see 5 by this, you see automatically dekho. This is automatically matching. So answer is 11 by 6. That's your answer. Option number D, sir. Option number D, 11 by 6 is the correct answer. Raghu, you are correct. Automatically it will match. It will automatically match. There is absolutely no other way. Just a second. It will automatically match. There is absolutely no other way, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir, everyone. Absolutely perfect. Moving on, sir. Good question. This was a very good question. Very, very, very good question. This one. बहुत बढ़िया question था. Price of a commodity is decreased by. थोड़ा और बढ़ा. If the price of a commodity is decreased by this much, price has decreased, cons are rahe, sir. Sir, if these two are same, one is increment, one is decrement, the absolute shortcut, if one is X% increment or decrement, another is the same percentage, opposite. If this is decrement, this is increment, or vice versa. If this is increment, this is decrement. The net result is always minus, meaning decrement. X is squared by 100%. याद रख लेना. If this happens, if SP is same, profit loss, maybe you can use this same shortcut. But again, I don't really prefer using this. Okay, because again, how many shortcuts of this type will you remember? So again, if you do that, the answer will be 25 squared, 625 by 100% with a negative sign, meaning minus 6.25% is the answer. 6.25% decrement. That is the answer. That is the answer. Values put in the equation. There is another way. Raghu is saying there is another way. M by 3. हाँ कर सकते हो. Raghu absolutely works, brother. चलेगा. Right? Now this is the shortcut. Now again, not every time these two values will be equal. This is only applicable when these two values are the same. Now if not, then what to do? Achha, first things first, this is the answer. But again, if not, then how to do it? Chalo, let's see, sir. So the thing is that expenditure is, so price, rather let me write it like this. Expenditure is equal to, sir, so price into consumption is equal to, sir, expenditure. Price decreased by 25%, meaning 1/4. Meaning if the price was 4 rupees, it decreased by 1 rupee, it is 3 rupees now. Consumption increased by like 1/4, 25%. Meaning if it was 4 rupees, now it has become increased by 1 rupee, so it is now 5 rupees. So now initial expenditure was 4 into 4, 16. Final is 3 into 5, 15, sir. Now what happened? It has decreased. By how much? By 1. Out of 16, sir. देखो initial, always the percentage change is calculated on initial. So this is 16. 1 by 16 is equal to 6.25%. So that is how to do it. Now, if there is any other value, you can calculate. This is the more generalized method to calculate. Not a shortcut, but again, you can use it everywhere. ठीक है सर? ठीक है? Clear, sir? बाप रे. चलो सर, चलो. Next one, sir. Just a second. चलो. At a gaming arcade, sir, all game tokens cost the same. There is an additional entry fee of this. Virat played 10 games and spent a total of this much during his visit. How much would Virat have to pay if he played 16 games, sir? Acha. 10 games and spent a total of this. So 10 games ke liye, you see, every game tokens will cost something. So 10 game tokens will cost something, so 10x. Every token is costing x plus 200 rupees. That is the entry fee. That is equal to 1000, sir. You can take it using x or you can do it without x. Anything goes, whichever you feel comfortable. Whatever you take, x is 80, sir. This is 800, this. Now, if he wants to play 16 games, so he needs to pay 16 into every game, he needs to pay 80 rupees plus 200 rupees entry fees. Sir, 64 into 2, sir, 128 plus 200. So he needs to pay 1480 rupees. Option में है क्या sir? 1480 sir, option number D. Option number D sir. Yes, Raghu, चलेगा भाई, चलेगा भाई. 1480 rupees is the correct answer. ठीक है? काम करो ना, इसको ऐसे निकाल लेते, थोड़ा बड़ा कर सकते हैं. A person bought an air conditioner at this much discount. If he had not gotten discount, he had to pay this much. Acha sir, 15% discount is equal to this much. So cost price at which the person bought at the air conditioner. Sir, 15% is the discount, equal to sir 2250. So you can do it like this, or, and I need what? I need 85% ka value. So that will be sir, that will be sir. और एक तरीका दिखाऊंगा और भी easy. So this will be 2250 by 15 into 85. Correct? So you'll say 20, like 225 is 15 squared. So this will be 150 into this, very simple. But please understand the easier method here in these situations. You will say, sir, 85 is 5 into 17. 17 is a prime number. So that means my answer will be a multiple of 17. Not every number is a multiple of 17, sir. Not every number. Just check. Just by looking at this, you will say my answer will be 17 multiple. Sir, this is not, this is not, sir, this is not, sir, this is, sir, this is my answer. देखो, कुछ भी ना करके भी we can answer. Without actually doing anything, we can answer. And also, if you even you don't want to do, so multiplication of these two will have only 1 0 at the end. ऐसे भी सोच सकते हो. You see, this is only answer having 1 0 at the end. So any way you think, you will get to the answer as E. Perfect, sir. Moving. ये क्या है, sir? Sir, the best approach, value putting. Put values. I can see sine, cos are there. 45 degree I won't be putting. I won't be putting 45 degree. Though I don't think 45 से कुछ problem आएगा. But still, let's stick to the basic. Let us stick to the basic. I told you, if you see these two are there, like by putting any value, two options are giving you same answer. It's better to avoid that. So let's not do that. Let's not put theta equal to 45 degree. Let's put something else. And again, sir, also, one thing I cannot put, 0 I cannot put. 90 also I cannot put. So why, sir? I told you, safest values are, safest values are 30 and 60, sir, always. ये थोड़ा अच्छा values होता है. Calculation थोड़ा बड़ा होता है कभी कभी, but again, best way to go. Let's take 30, sir. 30 लेते, sir. So if you take 30, cot 30 is root 3, sir. Root 3 square is 3. Cos 30 is how much, sir? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square, sir, 3 by 4. By cot 30, 3, sir. Cot square 30 into 3 by 4. Correct? Plus This is 1 by root 3. So 1 by 3. This is 1 plus sec A. Sec 30 is how much, sir? Cos 30 is half. Sec 30 is 2, sir. Correct? Sorry, cos 30 half कब से हो गया अरे भी? क्या उल्टा से? I'm not at my 100% today. ठीक है? Last 1 week I'm suffering from tremendous migraine. I'm having 5, 6 medicines every day. Still, it's not like I'm having pain 24/7. अच्छा, so थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन में गलत हो तो बताना भाई. अच्छा, what I'm doing? अच्छा, मैं क्या पुट कर रहा था? 30 डिग्री ना? 30 मीनिंग रूट 3 by 2. So this is 2 by root 3. चलो सर कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. This is 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 9 by 4 by 4 cancels. 9 by 9. So this is 1, sir. This part is 1 plus. This is root 3 plus 2. Baap re. So this will become 1 by root 3. And this will become root 3 plus 2. Huh. Just a second. तो एडवांस वैल्यूज में चला गया भाई. रूट 3 minus 1 रूट 3 plus 1 में चला गया. ये तो एडवांस वैल्यूज में चला गया भाई. नहीं नहीं, लाइक आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर दिस. कुछ हमने गलत तो नहीं किया ना? tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 square, 1 by 3. Root 3 plus 2. This was sec A only, na? This was sec A only, na? एक काम करो ना सर. This now I'm writing sec A minus 1, this whole thing, ठीक है? Just let me check once. नहीं आएगा. कुछ हमने मिस्टेक कर दिया. कुछ हमने मिस्टेक कर दिया. Just let me check ना. एक second just. Cos cot square is 1 into 1 by 2. ये हो गया 1 sir. The problem is here only. रूट 2 आ रहा है सर. आंसर विल बी सेक. कुछ हमने गलत कर दिया था इन द कैलकुलेशन. इन द कैलकुलेशन वी हैड मेड सम इशू. रघु, इट्स ओके, बट अगेन वी हैड, सो यू सी दिस एक लाइन में आ गया. वी हैड मेड सम लाइक एरर, पता नहीं क्यों. ये देखो ना, डायरेक्टली आ गया सर. 1 plus root 2, one side rationalize ना, it is giving us root 2 minus 1. So the 1 cancels, just directly root 2. Root 2 means 30 degree. If you put only sec is giving you root 2. That's your answer. Somehow we made some error in this part. You see, this part is giving us 1. This part was okay. Somehow we made an error in this part. Pata nahi kya. Pata nahi kya. Some silly mistake here or there. Something we had made an error. Somewhere we had made an error. ठीक है. Sashi, how, like, hi, how are you? Some error we had made. पता नहीं क्या. कुछ silly mistake. पता नहीं. चलो. Sir, this is 800, sir. 40%. 30%, sir. Percent means by 100. Correct? So this is 3, this is 2. Acha, this is by 5. 5 to 10, 0. So this is 9. So 800 minus 9 plus 120. So 920 minus 9. So 911 is the answer. You see, this is a very simple question D. Very, very simple. But Raghu, it's okay, brother. It's okay. I have actually in my batches, I've shown you where to value put, where to use. But brother, I'll strongly ask you, please learn both. Please learn both. I'm also in your team who prefers more like solving rather than value putting. But there are questions. Last to last year, there was a sine ka question, to the power 4 plus cos to the power 4 by sine square into cos square. There are certain patterns where value putting is hands down a better way. Calculation थोड़ा लंबा होता है सर. ठीक है? So again, have mastery over both. Have mastery over both. ठीक है? अच्छा सर. This is plus minus 1 वाला remainder का. Sir, 41 to the power 29 plus 41 by 42. Sir, if you divide this, sir, 41, this is a concept of negative remainder minus 1 to the power 29 plus 41 by 42. Sir, answer will be 40, sir. Kaise? Sir, to the power odd power means the answer will be minus 1 plus 41. So, which is 40? 40 is less than 42. So, that means this is my remainder. So, that is your option number C. Option number C, sir. Right? But again, if this value is not 41, rather 40 to the power 29 plus 41 by 42, तब जाके हो गया सर पैंट गीला. ठीक है? So हो गया गड़बड़. It's problematic. You need Euler to solve this. Euler का cyclicity theorem वो भी मैंने करवा के रखा है. So again, if you don't know, go and check that out. Free है in the platform. In the platform, I have that is free for everyone to check out. So meaning what I am trying to say, please understand, sir. Please understand. This normal method only works. कहाँ गया? This normal method only works if this and this, the gap is plus minus 1. If this is, because 2 to the, if the gap is 2 to the power 29, we don't know. That is what creates the problem. Now, here 2 तब भी कर लेंगे. 3, 4 आ गया तो हो गया गड़बड़. ठीक है? So that's the problem. चलो sir. Let's move. Come back. चलो. Sir, based on the data, in which of the subject students scores more than 18% of the total marks obtained in all the subjects together? Sir, I need all. Chalo. 80, 80, 160. Let's write it down, sir. अच्छा, और 6 and 5, 11 plus 9, ये तीनों को एक साथ लो, sir. Sir, 11 plus 9, 20. 5 and 7, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. 150 and 20. And this is 70, sir. So this is 310 plus 90, sir, 400, sir. 400 is total. Total. 18% of 400, 18 4s are 72. So meaning in how many subjects, like the number, like obtained marks is more than 72. Sir, this subject, this subject, this subject. Hindi, math, science. Hindi, math, science. Option C, sir. Option C, sir. Option C. Raghu, you don't need, brother. Total marks obtained, they are asking. Not the total marks of the paper. Obtained total marks. Clear, brother? Just take the total. Just take the total, brother. Chalo. Moving on. Moving on. Dishonest dealer, sir. Simple question. CPSP ले लो, sir. Sir, 760, 1 kg. Sir, 760 देता है, पैसा लेता है 1 kg का. So that's all. Sir, this is sir. We can cancel, but again, let's not do it. 24 is the profit out of 76 because CP is 76 into 100, sir. Calculate कर लो. Sir, sir, 4 से कर लेते, 4 19s are this, 4 6 are this. So 600 by 19, वो देखो. Option number D, sir. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द आंसर. शशि रघु परफेक्ट परफेक्ट परफेक्ट. चलो अर्घमिता ने आंसर देना बंद कर दिया, क्या हुआ, भाग गया अर्घमिता. एंड अगेन इफ यू आर लाइकिंग प्लीज डू हिट दैट लाइक. वो तो थोड़ा कर दो भाई सब लोग. ये क्या है, बाप रे, मेरा दाढ़ी जैसा बना दिया. एक्स, अच्छा दिस इज गिवन, पढ़ लो एक्स डब्ल्यू. अच्छा चलो चलो चलो. txy, remember txy we need txy. txy meaning we need this. We need this one means we need this one. Okay. अच्छा these two are same. अरे तब तो सही हो गया. So if this is 42 then this is also 42. If this is 42 this is 42, then this whole angle is how much, sir? Sir 180 minus this 96 degree. Correct? Because 180 minus 42, 42, 84, so 96. So this angle is how much, sir? 96 minus 58 degrees, sir. So 96 minus 56, so 40, so 38 degrees. So if this is 38 degree, then this is also 38 degree. Why? Because you see, this is the arc, this is whatever angle, this is the same angle, sir. So 38 degree will be the correct answer. 38 degree will most definitely be the correct answer. 38 है क्या, वो देखो ऑप्शन सी में बैठा है, ऑप्शन सी में बैठा है सर. चलो चलो चलो. टाइम एंड वर्क, टाइम एंड वर्क सर. अरुण कैन डू 9/11 पार्ट ऑफ अ वर्क इन दिस. सर अरुण का टोटल टाइम निकाल लो, 18 into 11/9, सर 22 days. 62.5 means 5/8. You should know this by now. It should be in like kind of नाम जैसा याद होना चाहिए. Bhola completed the remaining in 33 days. Okay. चलो ठीक है, working together they will complete in this. अच्छा. So Arun can do this in this thing, these many days. And Bhola का remaining work 33 days. सर एक काम करते हैं सर, एंड 8th का भी चक्कर है, थोड़ा इसको अच्छे से कर सकते हैं क्या कुछ, विदाउट गेटिंग इनटू एनी प्रॉब्लम. दे वर्किंग टुगेदर वो तो बाद में देखेंगे. 3/8 पार्ट करते हैं. सर एक काम करो, 22 days है ना सर. टोटल जो वर्क है, आई एम टेकिंग 22 into 8 units. Now why 8? I'll explain. Let's see होता या नहीं. 176 units. ठीक है, आई डोंट थिंक होगा, 3 से हो जाएगा, बोले गड़बड़ करेगा. लेट्स सी, स्टिल लेट्स सी सर. सो अरुण इज डूइंग these many units in these many days. Arun ka efficiency will be sir 176 by 22. ठीक है, so that is 8 units a day. So वो जो हमने लिया था. And what about the efficiency of Bhola sir? Bhola देखो, Arun is doing 5/8, so remaining will be 3/8. 3/8 of what sir? 3/8 of 176. That Bhola is doing in 33 days. ठीक है, so Bhola's efficiency will be this. अच्छा, like this is 3, 11 3s are this, 11 16s are this, right? 11 1s, 11 6, हाँ हो गया सर. So Bhola's efficiency is 2 units a day, sir. So done. Working together, they will complete 5/11. Sir, 5/11 into 176. Working together, they will complete 8 unit. Like Arun, Bhola is this. So 10. Sir, ये हो गया 16. So 5 2 2 8. So the answer will be 8 days. The answer is going to be option number C, 8 days. The answer is going to be option C, 8 days. थ्री, हाँ शशि वो तो देखा था. नहीं, आई वॉज थिंकिंग ये वाला, So ये now again why I have taken 8 because of this 8 वाला thing. ठीक है, so that I get all my values in a good manner, like no fraction come, no fraction should come. That is why I have taken it. ठीक है, clear sir? So 8 days option C is the answer. चलो आज ही लेट हो गया ना, आज ही I'm not being able to go fast. Two trains A, B, this running in the same direction. Speed A and B, this is given. Find the length, time taken. अच्छा sir. Time taken sir, relative speed ले लो. Relative speed क्या है sir? Both are running in the same direction. So minus 80 and this. 80 minus 67. But again into 5 by 18. Conversion I need to do. Correct? And length is this and this. Achha, this is speed into time 108. That will be distance. Distance is a 205 plus L. Distance is because if two trains are crossing each other, the sum of distance they need to go. Sir, equation आ गया, कर लो calculation. Sir, ये होता है 13 sir. कुछ होगा नहीं sir. चलो ठीक है. 9 2s are this, 9 12s are this. अच्छा ये directly कर सकते थे ना. Sir, L is going to be ये कितना है सर? 80 400 minus sir 2 and 10 390. 185. ऑप्शन नंबर बी सर. ऑप्शन नंबर बी सर. ठीक है, क्लियर सर. मूविंग ऑन. चलो चलो चलो. अरे सर ये तो सर दिस शुड नॉट टेक यू मोर देन 1 सेकेंड. 0 इज द आंसर. अरे 0 is the answer. Why? You see, I told you these are all pseudo things. These two angles, 34, add these two. These two angles are pseudo, like it looks like two different angles, but they are complementary angles. So this cosec is nothing but sec this. So this angle and this angle are equal. Beach mein minus hai. The thing is 0. 0 by anything is 0 only. Just remember this should not be 0. This thing should not be 0. That's all. Khatam. खत्म सर. You don't need to do this. You don't need to do anything. ये क्या है सर? सिंप्लीफिकेशन. 3 क्वेश्चन है सर सिंप्लीफिकेशन का. बढ़िया है सर. x इज इक्वल टू, अच्छा 2/5 ऑफ, इधर ही करते सर. 2/5 ऑफ 3 4 12 15/4 5 3 2 2 3/2 plus this is 4/3 plus 1/6. 6 is the LCM. करोगे तो सर 3 3s are 9 plus 8 plus 1. So 18/6 3 आ गया सर. This is x. चलो y लेते हैं सर. So 3/4 into 1420/7 into 7/5 सर. 7 7 5 4 20 20 ये भी 3 आया सर. y. Sir, x by y, any bacha will say 1 is the answer. Sir. Both are 3, so 1 is most definitely the correct answer. 1 is most definitely the correct answer. Raghu, Sashi, yes, you guys are correct. Definitely correct. Pie chart. Acha. Total male plus female appeared 12. Acha. Total male appeared. Ratio of male to female in city A. Okay. Male in city A 22% of 12 lakhs. And female, sorry, male appeared is 20% of 8 lakhs. ठीक है, याद रख लो. 22% of 12. 22% of 12 minus 20% of 8. This is female. And male to female means 20% of 8. यही तो पूछा है सर. कैलकुलेट करके उड़ा दो सर. So percent off, percent off, percent off. 20 into 8, sir, 160 by, this is 160, and this is how much, sir? 240 and 24. 240 and 24 means 264. 160 by, sir, 104. 4 से 4 2s are 8, 4 6 are 24. 40, 2 से सर 20, रेशियो 13. देखो ऑप्शन में है या नहीं? 20 रेशियो 13 है क्या? ऑप्शन 1 सर, ऑप्शन 1 सर. डन 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 डन. देखो सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. मूविंग ऑन. Certain amount compound interest 25% rate 3 years, interest received, amount invested. So 25% means 1 by 4 principal ratio amount. इतना अच्छा value है तो no other method. 4, interest is 1, ratio is like amount is 5. 3 years means this 64, ratio 125. 64 rupees become 125. So what is the what is the interest, sir? Minus. So 125 minus 64. 1 rupee here, 6 rupees. 61 rupees, sir, interest. That is given as 4880. So देखो, this is 80 rupees. 80 times, sir. 80 times. Amount invested 64 का value, sir. 64 into 80. 64 8s are 512. 5120 ऑप्शन में है क्या? ये देखो ऑप्शन. That's your answer, sir. That is your answer. Not difficult. ये compound interest वाला क्वेश्चन था ही नहीं, sir. Perimeter of EFD ABD 13.5 square. एरिया देख के पेरीमीटर पूछ रहा है. ठीक है, चलो. Sir, both are 90 degrees. That means they are similar. So ratio is 1:3. Ratio is, sir, 1:3. Ratio is, sir, 1:3, sir. Correct? Okay. That means DF by AD 1:3. Every side is 1:3. Okay. Okay. Just a second. Just a second. तो एक काम कर लेते हैं ना, सर. एक काम कर लेते हैं, सर. अच्छा, let's do this. AD I don't know. AD and DF we don't know. So if this is one part, this is 2 parts, meaning total is 3 parts. Okay. Area. This, let's use this information. Half into, sir, base is 3 parts. 3x, let's say. और 3p लिखा है तो 3p ही लेते हैं. I've written it as 3p, so let's take 3p. 3p into AB is what, sir? AB is, sir, 4.5. It is given as 13.5. Sir, this is 3 times directly. 3 cancels. P is 2. P is 2, sir. So this length is 6. So 3 parts is 6. So this is 1 part. That will be equal to 2, sir. So this is 2. This is 2, sir. So this is 2, this is 1.5 given. So this perimeter. So this will be how much, sir? So dekho, this is multiple of 3, multiple of 4. Because 15, this is 20. So this has to be 25. Meaning, sir, this is 2, this is 2.5 actually. So that means the perimeter will be 1.5 plus 2 plus 2.5, sir. 4 to 6 will be the answer, sir. 6 will be the answer. 6 is going to be the answer. Option number B is the answer. You guys got my point. Now 1.52, meaning 15, 20, and 25. 2.2 means 2.0 actually. Perfect, sir. Chalo, next one. Next one, sir. Sir, average to weight of 18 students is 24 student leaves the average weight of the class reduced by this, sir. Sir, 18 students, average 24 kg. So now 17 students, the average weight is reduced, meaning 22 kg. Reduced by like it is minus 2 kg. I told you, 3 questions always. Why? Q गिर गया, sir? Because the student who left, that was a heavier person. That was the reason the average was up. Once he left, the real average came out. So उसका वो student भारी था. कितना भारी था और किससे भारी था? So कितना भारी था? वो इतना भारी था that he was the reason हर एक का. So he was the reason everybody's weight was up by 2 kgs. How many students? Everybody except himself. So 2 into 17 खुद को छोड़ के सबका. Then what? Then the average. Either you take this average or this average. Which average? So always you take the average when that person is inside the group. So either you take, so when the person we are taking the weight of, when that person was included, then the average was 24. So ये वाला average लेना है. So the answer will be, sir, 68. 34 plus this 58, sir. 58 है क्या option में? ये देखो option A में. That's your answer. That is your answer, sir. कभी गलत नहीं होगा ऐसे करोगे तो. Otherwise, many people make silly mistakes in these questions. अच्छा. This is also a very simple question, height and distance का. अच्छा, we have done so many questions. This one question I'm giving you as homework. ये simple question है, नहीं होता तो बताना, कल का mock में मैं करवा दूंगा. ठीक है? चलो, already I'm late due to this unfortunate thing. चलो मैं दो चार जल्दी में करवा देता हूँ, because कपिल सर का already class है. Solid right circular cone, the volume is given, diameter is given, surface area they are asking. चलो सर, diameter is given means R is 15. ठीक है? Volume is 1/3 pi. Don't put it because pi is here. To R square into H, sir. H I don't know, H I'll figure out actually. That is 600 pi. Pi cancels. So this is 15. 15, 3, I'm writing this as like 5. 5 120s at this. So this is 8 times, sir. H is 8. Okay, sir. But again, for this cone, I will need L. Sir, L के लिए देखो, I have 15. L I'll find like this. This is 8. This is 15, sir. L has to be 17 Pythagorean triplet, sir, because this is 90 degree. So total surface area will be what, sir? Pi r into r plus L. R is what, sir? R was 15. Pi into 15 into r plus L. 15 plus 17, that is 15 plus 17, 32. 32 into 15 into pi, sir. कर लो calculation. 450, 480, sir. 480 pi, sir. Option number B, sir. Moving on to the next question. Moving on to the next question very quickly. Incorrect option, animals population percentages. If total 6,200 number of lions, 12%, 62%, 10% is 620, and sir 1% is 62, 2% is 124. Sir, 744. No, sir, it's correct. पूछा क्या है भाई? एक second, sir. Incorrect, they are asking. They are asking us incorrect. No, sir, this is correct, sir. Animals are 7,000. Crocodiles are this. So 30% will be how much, sir? 3 sevens are 21. Minus. Sir, 1% is 70. 2% is 140. Sir, 1960. Sir, ये भी correct है, तो ये नहीं हो सकता. Incorrect I need. 4,500 number of rabbits, 27%. Sir, 30% is 135. 1350 minus 3%, meaning 135. Sir, ये गलत होगा. Because you see, this 50 minus 35 will end in 15. Never can be this. So this is wrong. So this is my answer. Option C. Option C has to be my answer. I don't even need to calculate the entire thing. That has to be my answer. Which is the third smallest fraction? In these type of questions, do not go into like solving everything. Let me say one thing. I'm doing it, solving it with red color pen. कभी भी थोड़ा आइडिया लगा के चलो सर. Looking at these values, take these two. कौन सा छोटा है सर? Which one is smaller sir? Which one is smaller? Always take an idea. Sir, ये वाला value is smaller. You see now, this value is smaller because you see 11 has increased to 13, double. But again, this has the denominator has not increased in the same proportion. It is almost half. So if it is increased by like 2 na, denominator should have increased by almost 4. वो हुआ ही नहीं, उल्टा एक ही बढ़ा है सिर्फ. So definitely इन दोनों में ये छोटा है सर. So take these two. So this has only increased by 1. So this should have been, ये थोड़ा आसपास है. We have to calculate this. ये थोड़ा एक बार देख लो because these values are very very close. कैसे calculate करोगे? ऐसे 4 into 23 for 20, so this is 92. 5 into this, sir, this is how much, sir? 590s, 519s are 95. So this is greater. So this is greater. Sir, ये है. And इन दोनों में एक बार check कर लो. So इन दोनों में it's very simple, sir. इन दोनों में देखो, this is much higher. So this is the order. They are asking third smallest. Smallest, second smallest, third smallest is this one. 11 by 28. That has to be your answer option. Not everything you need to solve. Not everything needs to be solved, sir. बहुत लोग सर देखना इसको सर वैल्यू बनाएंगे 4 by 19 equal to 19 by 400, 19 by 40. Yes, don't do that. Do not do that. थोड़ा थोड़ा आइडिया लगा के चलो. एंड ऑल्सो वन शॉर्टकट, इफ यू रिमेंबर इन द फ्रैक्शन डेसिमल क्लास आई टोल्ड यू कि गैप अगर सेम हो तो कैसे करना होता है. ठीक है? सो यूज दोस थिंग्स. थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज करके चलना. ओके सर, सो दैट वाज आवर क्लास. लास्ट में मैंने थोड़ा जल्दबाजी किया. One question I have given you as homework, please solve. And if you get stuck, please let me know. कल कर देंगे. वैसा क्वेश्चन हजारों हमने किए, right? In our mocks also, or like otherwise I'll put it in the mock itself. ठीक है? So again, that will be all. Thank you, Arghamita. Thank you so much, Sashi. Thank you so much, Raghu. Everyone, thank you so much for joining. And I will see you guys again. I hope you guys have liked this. If you have, please do hit that like. And if you have anything, any feedback, please feel free to comment it also. And again, I'll see you guys definitely tomorrow with the mock session. There will be a couple of sessions left only before the CGL. So again, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो. This is now or never. That's why with this physical condition also, I'm taking the classes. I'm not skipping anything. ठीक है? So again, thank you so much. अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो. Give your 100%. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. So again, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. And I'm signing off.